Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix the Overwolf not launching properly on any device. Let's begin. First, open up your favorite browser and then look up for Overwolf Troubleshooter. Click on this link, then you will notice a hyperlink. Click on it, download the software, and then it will look like this. I already have mine downloaded. You will see you will have the option to check for any issues. Click on it. Once done, the software itself will provide you with all of the quick fixes to get Overwolf working immediately. However, if that doesn't work, what you can do is to do a complete reinstall. So if you have your installer over here like this one, just run it again because upon checking other users, for most of them, this method works the best. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.